So I finished the folio that I made. Thought I would do a little flip through. Hopefully this works with one hand. But this is the PhotoPlay folio, and I just added all the paper to it. So it flips open like so. And then I used magnets to attach there. Then there's a pocket with a tag in it. And then this is actually a pocket. I didn't put anything in there. My partner can do that. There's a tag in here. Tag there. This little, there's a hidden paper clip in there, which leaves that in there. Then move it over this side. There's a pocket there with a tag in it. Yeah, I think I showed that one. Okay. And there's another pocket there with a tag. There's another little magnet there. And I have filled this whole, I've put a few odds and ends in there for my partner. And that's that page. As you can see, there's another magnet here, as you can see. And then there is a waterfall. So those pages were a little bit big, but I kind of left them because I liked how it looked. Because the squares were all perfect size. Well, maybe not the perfect size because they hang over, but I thought it looked kind of cool. And then it goes back together like so. Okay, it barely closes. And then that's the back. So that's the folio. Finally got it done.